Diaphragms of body. The literal meaning of diaphragm are separator, which separate the two structure. Our diaphragms are like Uttapam. I love Uttapam. I can't live without Uttapam. The diaphragm, which is the principal muscle of respiration, no one can survive without it. Just like Uttapam, without which I can't survive. Finally, I got das Uttapam. FDS Uttapam. F for falx cerebri and cerebelli. D for diaphragma celli. S for suprapleural membrane or Simpson fossa or cervical diaphragm. U for urogenital diaphragm. T for tentorium cerebelli. P for pelvic diaphragm. A for abdominothoracic diaphragm. M for mylohyoid or diaphragma oris. So, finally, das Uttapam. First, falx cerebri and cerebelli. You can see this is falx cerebri. Inside the cranial cavity, this is the dural fold which separate the two cerebral hemisphere. And this is falx cerebelli here. This one is the falx cerebelli. Inside the cranial cavity, this is the dural fold which separate the two cerebellar hemisphere. Diaphragma celli. This is diaphragma celli. Here also this one is the diaphragma celli which roofs sella turcica, which is a depression, hollow depression in the sphenoid bone, lodges pituitary gland. And this diaphragma celli has a central hole which gives space to the pituitary stalk, through which pituitary gland is attached to the base of hypothalamus. Suprapleural membrane or Simpson fossa or cervical diaphragm. Here it is. It is the condensation of endothoracic fossa which overlies the apical pleura, that is the apex of lung, is covered by apical or cervical pleura, above which this is the suprapleural membrane or Simpson fossa connecting the transverse process of C7 to the first rib. Separate thoracic cavity from the neck. Urogenital diaphragm. Here it is, urogenital diaphragm, which is made up of sphincter urethrae and deep transverse perineal muscle which separate the pelvic cavity above and perineum below, but anteriorly, placed in between the two ischiopubic rami. This one is pelvic diaphragm, which again separates the pelvic cavity above and perineum below. It lies somewhat posteriorly after leaving a U-shaped gap that is called urogenital hiatus in front, and it is deep to urogenital diaphragm, made up of levator ani and coccygeus muscle. Abdominothoracic diaphragm. It is the principal muscle of respiration which separate the abdominal cavity below from the thoracic cavity above. Mylohyoid or diaphragma oris. It forms the floor of mouth and separate sublingual space above and submandibular space below. Thank you.